today is the most wonderful time of the year. It is spooky season, it is fall, and I'm about to get ready to decorate my room. First of all, I need to clean my room because it looks like a mess. It's a little bit embarrassing, so let's clean it just real quick. And I gotta show you guys what I got. Some old stuff, some new stuff. I've been bipping and bopping around different stores. So firstly, you can't really ignore the skeleton that I got last year. I got this from Target in November, so right when they were having like the end of the Halloween sale. And right here, I still got the tag on it. It says that this was $40.
I let it go for about $40. $40?
I got him for 10. So this is Bones, and I'm gonna put Bones like a little further back because he's in my way. This is a budget-friendly, affordable haul. So the basket I got from the dollar store. This I also got from Target during the sale. These pumpkins I also got from Dollar Tree. You guys saw my little ghosties. I got this from TJ Maxx for $12.99. These stacking ghosts, I've been to 3 Five Belows looking for this. So these stacking ghosts I got from Five Below for $5. They're pink and they're so cute. I honestly don't have a color scheme or a theme going on. I got a bunch of like orange, pink, kind of cream, light colors. I saw that a bunch of stores were doing like a neon theme this year, trying to be all groovy, kind of 70s vibes, but I wasn't feeling the hot pink. I got this blanket from Home Goods. I think I got this a few years ago, and I'm pretty sure this was under $20 as well. And most of this is from Five Below. In my last video when I was doing my makeup, I did get a sunset projection lamp from Five Below. This was also $5, golden sunset. This is how it looks, and honestly it just brings in the vibes. I want to have like moody lighting going on. You could kind of see the little square in the center, and it also has a light switch and it has a USB charger, so I had to get a plug to go with it. And I saw that they had other colors, so I also got the blue one. They also had a pink one, but I didn't really want a solid pink one. This is the iridescent sunset, and I got blue because I do have a lot of like warm colors in my room, so I do want to have some type of coolness to it. I don't know. I'm thinking if I put this behind my bookcase, it'll be a vibe while I'm gaming. I did tell you guys I got the USB charger for this, and also got batteries for the ghosts. A lot of these things do take batteries. Oh, this isn't Halloween related, but I found a headband and cuff set. You know when the girlies be doing a little skincare routine and they put the little things on their wrist so the water doesn't drip down? I found one of these at Five Below, and I also got the little headband for when I'm doing my makeup. I thought it would be really cute. I also picked up some bats. How many does this come in? It has 30 bats. I'm gonna put this like behind my bed, probably like cascading onto the wall behind me. That would be cute, right? Right. I'm pretty sure this was like $3. I said that like I don't have the receipt. Yeah, the headband was $5, the light was $5. The bats were $2. I also got some crime scene tape. I'm gonna put this on my doors, like my closet door and my front door. And I might put this on my bookcase. I was debating getting some spiderweb this year, but honestly, spiderweb, the cleanup, I don't like cleaning it up. I also got some tape. Last but not least, I got some candy to put into my bowl. I'm gonna be refilling my candy bowl throughout the entire month. And that is my haul. Some stuff that's new, some stuff that's old. If you wanna do the math yourself, I think everything is under $50. I'm not sure. But let's get ready to decorate. It's close to midnight, and something evil's lurking in the dark. Under the moonlight, it's a sight that almost stops your heart. You try to scream, but dare I take the sound before you make it. You start to freeze, and so it looks you right between the eyes. This is This just made my heart so happy. I just love the fall vibes and the spooky vibes that we got going on. I might pick up some more pieces if I see them here and there, but I think this turned out better than I expected. Hopefully this helps with the seasonal depression. If you haven't already, run to your nearest store to pick up whatever spooky season slash fall decor that you want to get, because the Christmas stuff is being put out right now. Pick up whatever ghosts, whatever pumpkins. It is time for spooky season, and do not forget to treat yourself. But that's it for me. I'm going to chill for the rest of the night. Give this video a thumbs up, a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Bags right here. Can you move? Just scoot over just a little bit. You in my space. Are you gonna fall? Okay, I think we're ready.